In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the scanning and printing with your Canon Pixma TR8622 printer. Now first thing is to connect this printer with any device, so you have to do the Wi-Fi setup. If you want to know how to do that, just watch my other videos regarding the Wi-Fi setup of this printer. Now go to your device like iPhone, Android phone and open any document you want to print. So this is the Canon iPrint app I'm using here. And here I'm going to print a document. So if I click next, we can also change the settings on the device, or we can just give a print command. Open the printer door and also take the paper output tray out. So here we can see it has started to print. So this way we can do the printing, and the next thing is to do the scanning. Now there are two options for the scanning. We can use the top scanner bed. So we can place a page here like this, facing downwards. Now to scan you need this Canon iPrint app. So once you add the printer there, you see the scan option, click on it and click on the scan icon. So scan is transferred. If you want, you can simply exit and it will be saved in a particular location. So for that you have to simply select JPEG or PDF and then save it in a location you want. Or the next method I'm going to show you is to do the scanning using the top feeder tray. For that we have to place a document here. So it should be again facing upwards like this. Slide it until you hear a sound. Again go to the Canon Print app, click on the scan icon, click scan button. Automatically it will start scanning from the feeder tray. So here we can scan the multiple pages all together. So once the scanning is finished, you will see this screen. Click this button, use PDF, select the area you want to save it, and then we are ready to use this. So this way we can do the printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.